How to turn off WhatsApp message preview in the notification bar. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp account. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find different options. Click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Privacy. After you click on Privacy, scroll down. In Privacy at the bottom, you'll find App Lock. Click on it. After you click on App Lock, you will find this kind of option. In here, click on Unlock with Biometric and turn it on. After you click on it, simply set up your fingerprint and then you'll find this kind of screen. Now what you need to do is simply click on Show Content and Notifications and turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off WhatsApp message preview in the notification bar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.